So hello, who am I sitting with?
Hi, this is Scott Crewman.
Hey Scott, thanks for taking the time to do a quick testimonial video with us here. Can you give us a little background on your projects that you've done with Legacy?
Yeah, I've had a door put in, a ton of windows. Always nice work.
Great. When you were looking to do the purchases, did you only look at Legacy Remodeling or did you shop some other companies?
No, I checked around to a couple different companies. The pricing was a little bit higher, but it was definitely worth paying a little bit more for the better quality.
Oh, fantastic. Was there anything in particular that you really liked about Legacy Remodeling that made you decide Legacy over the competitors?
Uh, I like the customer experience side of things. Anytime I needed anything, you were right there. My wife and I really appreciate that.
Well, fantastic. Is there any advice you could give to any customers who are out looking for windows, doors, or siding or roofing?
Yeah, definitely look at Legacy.
Great. Well, Scott, I certainly appreciate your time with me here today. If you want, you could take a second and tell some folks that might be looking for a new automobile what you do. I'm happy to share. I'm happy Scott's here helping me out, but he's also helped me out a bunch in the past. So, Scott, tell us a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, absolutely. I work for Cochrane. We are in the process right now of streamlining our online home delivery. We'd be glad to help you out as all this craziness goes on and sell you a car.
Sounds great, man. Hey, thanks so much for your time, Scott.
Thank you.